Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Bedredla. Let's do a reading for the month of October 2020 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for the sign of Sagittarius. And Sagittarius, if you haven't watched my iPhone review, you can click on this eye icon there. You can watch it at the end of the reading. So let's see what we have in the month of October to you. Tower. Wow. It's a major arcana, of course. Maybe it's needed for you in the month of October. This, ending, deep ending. Definitely, if you have something ending very deeply, something very big is going to start, which is definitely required. I know it happened to me, the Tower card. It was like a disaster, and the energy what came next was so fabulous, so fascinating, and it changed my entire life. That was the day which made me who I was or taking me who I have to be. So Tower is like that, the lightning will struck because it has to break, something has to break, like this tree. So that's why every time a thunder hits, there'll be a crack visually. So yeah, something is definitely ending. I kept a stone. There is a stone on top of it. It's called Black Tourmaline. So even this card is very dark and black, and there is a lot of black around here, including the camera, mic and everything. So there is a lot of black except what I'm wearing. So black might be significant in the month of October for you. This is Black Tourmaline. Maybe if you work with this or learn about this, maybe that might be significant or something might be related to that color of black. Interesting, that wanted to stop. Three of Wands. This tower has, this lightning has struck because, as I said, something should break, something should end, so that something new is going to start and you can focus on that. So Three of Wands is being focused, not looking left, not looking right, not looking back, exact straight. You have the bullseye, your dead focus on one particular thing. And if you're focused on one particular thing, and if you keep that thought unwavering, which you have, in order to manifest anything, it will manifest. So if you want anything in life, you have to give out that vibration that you already have it and you're working towards it, and you will have it, and only then the whole universe will conspire you to get it. So there is a quote, actually, if you want something in life very badly, and you believe in that, the whole universe will conspire you to get it, because there'll be no blockages. For a man who is committed, there is no failure. If he falls down 1,000 times, there'll be 1,000 lessons to be learned. He'll be going forward. So only blockage will be you and your mind. If you balance these 4 dimensions, as Sadhguru said, if you haven't watched that video where Sadhguru says about 4 dimensions and how to balance it, you have to definitely watch it. Okay, that wanted to come out. 2 of Cups. You might be connecting with you might be connecting with Leo, because Leo got this 2 of Cups. We got 3 and 2 here. You can see that is synchronistic. Black might be significant. We'll see. 3, 2 you got, which is definitely synchronistic. So you have to focus what you want, and you need to create a plan for it. The universe is asking basically, if you want emotional balance in relationships, focus on that. You can have a book or a piece of paper and you can write it down. For example, in my career, okay, what are the things that I have to manifest? Write it down. In my finances, what are the things I have to manifest? Write it down. In your emotional life, what are the things I want? Write it down. in your personal life, what are the things that you want? Write it down. So be focused, be clear. 3 of Wands. what are the things you want to have in particular fields, and write it down. When you write it down, you're basically, when you write it down, you're setting the vibration towards the universe, that you really want it, and universe will see that. So universe can understand through vibrations. So that's what. Okay, that's the language of the universe. It's the vibrations and frequency. Wow. Ace of Pentacles. It was a flyer, you see. As I said, focus. Remember that this ending, is for a reason. Tower. Because now you have realized that you have to focus on something, and that something is this. Figure out in your emotional life, Two of Cups, what are the things you want. In your Ace of Pentacles, which is career, finances. In your business, what are the things you want. Write it down. So as I said, this is emotional life, this is career life. Even before this card came out, automatically told you, it will just reveal itself. It's just a confirmation actually in the reading when this card comes out. So Daughter of Cups. Again, personal life, maybe Daughter of Cups. Then, when things manifest, you have to realize that it has completed. How you create a plan is, when you create a plan, you have to have the end goal in mind, so that when it manifests, you know that it is completed. Okay, your plan might be to finish a task. For example, then what is the reason for it? What is the end goal of it? Make sure you keep in mind and fix on that, so that when it comes to you, you know that it is finished and you can move on to the next one. And then for the next one, again create an end goal. When that manifests, you know it's completed, go into the next one. And at the end of the day, be grateful for how many achievements you have. That is Daughter of Cups. Basically, that's the reflection. Okay, be grateful for the things you already have. Focus on the future. Have a plan. Three of Wands. What I can say, Two of Wands. Have a plan. This month of October is all changes for you. Okay, it's all changes. You're going to change as a human being. You're going to change. Your life is going to change in the month of October. From October, not in the month of October. In the month of October, it's going to start. The spark is going to start. And there's the Tower card. You see the thunder. And when this thunder hits, there's the timing. Thunder is also represented by timing. First the thunder comes, then you listen to the sound of the thunder. It's all about the timing. And Three of Wands, have a plan in your emotional life, career, personal life. Again, have a plan and focus on that. That's it. Five of Wands, yeah. When you have a plan, these blockages won't be there. This confusion won't be there. Okay. Maybe in the past you wanted to do something, but you're confused. You might have been confused how to execute it. But that secret was to actually, the solution or the secret was to actually create a plan, a very nice plan, and be fixated on that. It might seem like there is no way that you can achieve it, because Two of Wands is a destination. You don't know what is the end, what is the end of it. It seems like an empty road. You don't know what is the destination. That is the beautiful thing. Not knowing the destination is the most beautiful thing. You have to enjoy the journey. So even though the plan might seem like it won't execute completely or it won't be a success, don't focus on that. Focus on moving forward. The first step is definitely important more than anything. Have a plan, start, that's it. Even though you feel like there'll be any blockages, go ahead. If any blockages comes, this is the road, this is the blockages, 5 of Wands. You have to just jump on that hurdle and move forward. Yeah, you got world card. Again, travel. You have to move. Sagittarius is all about travel, and without world card in your reading, you're missing your soul element, kind of, or your soul energy, you can say, because Sagittarius is travel. You got Two of Wands, which is travel, world card, travel. So maybe you want to travel far distances, and in the month of October there are a few blockages. For the people who are traveling abroad, then definitely you have to think twice or thrice before traveling. There might be few blockages around which you won't expect. It will be unexpected blockages while traveling far distances, so check out that. So if people are traveling abroad, international, okay, make sure you have a nice plan, because there'll be unexpected blockages. So you have to have a plan. Without a plan, don't do anything in life, especially travel. If you do that, then you're gonna learn a big lesson. Okay. Definitely some travel is indicated here. Six of Cups. Interesting. Yeah, you're gonna communicate with someone whom you have not communicated before. Definitely they're gonna communicate in the month of October. Or you might suddenly think of a person and the next day they contact you or they connect with you in some or the other way. That might also happen. Six of Cups. You might get some gift also, some compliments. Six of Cups. In the Rider Waite, you can see one small girl will be giving a gift to the guy, one small boy. So Six of Cups is also giving gifts also. Especially Six of Cups is represented by gifts. So it might be compliments or gifts also. Six of Wands. Public recognition, yeah, public. So Six of Wands is definitely, people see you shining brightly. People see you being in the light every time. Spotlight. Yeah, blue and black might be significant, but mainly black might be significant. There's a lot of dark cards. Six of Wands is victory. You got two sixes, Six of Cups and Six of Wands. Let's see bottom of the deck. Father of Pentacles. Wow, after a long time. Father is King of Pentacles. This is one of my favorite cards actually. Father of Pentacles. When I started learning tarot, I was so amazed by this card, and maybe because of this card, 50% of the journey towards tarot, I wanted to move forward, because I saw myself as being this. I want to be like a Father of Pentacles, you know. So yeah, I just love tarot because of mostly these cards. Father of Pentacles, mainly this one. Wow, maybe Six of Wands also. Very nice to see. Bottom of the deck, Father of Pentacles. So deep inside, you feel you have achieved a lot. You know, financially, you have achieved a lot. In career-wise, that recognition is there. So that fulfillment is definitely there, deep inside, in the month of October. So if you're being in this vibration, definitely a lot of money is going to come to you in the month of October. If you are in this vibration, and of course, starting with the Tower, if something is ending, make sure that very big changes are happening in your life. I know I have been in this Tower. I thought that was the worst, part in my life, but that's where everything started to change. Yeah, that's all I have for you, Sagittarius. Very dynamic actually, very, very dynamic. We got Pentacles, Cups, Major Arcanas, two Major Arcanas. Travel is there for sure. If you're traveling long distances, make sure you plan, because few blockages might be there, unexpected blockages. Especially during this pandemic, there'll be a lot of tests and all going on. So maybe, I don't know, unexpected blockages. So timing, something related to timing also, because you got Tower card, which is thunder. Thunder is all about timing. so time is represented, timing. Yeah, if you do want to watch the reading again, feel free to do that. Lot of messages, so definitely you have to watch it again. And if you have liked the video, click the like button. If you need any guidance, you can comment down below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you guys for so much support. We are almost reaching 1k subscribers. That's really huge. Okay, and having a big audience will also motivate me to do much better videos. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and share the videos to your friends and family. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you, Sagittarius.